What happened? It's okay, later I take. May coffee. I need okay kay Isidro. This is from online. Hamburger. Yes, come. Yeah. You want the mayonnaise and what's called this, the yellow one?
Mustard.
You want?
Yes, please.
Mustard.
I'm off my sweater.
You take off everything.
I don't need danger.
What?
I don't need danger.
You want I put the lettuce and everything? And tomatoes? How about pickles?
Pickles definitely. Most important. But ikaw,
Yeah.
are you sure you want to eat in the dark? Do you have light in the kitchen? People who can see like to eat in the light.
I have light now.
You have light? I don't see.
I put the onions.
That's a bit more.
Onions?
No thanks.
Okay.
I don't like raw onions actually.
Okay.
If you want, you can eat them.
Yeah.
Gusto mo?
Let's see.
Don't feel hungry. Most of this week, I do not feel hungry.
Because I think
Oh,
that.
now I feel hungry.
Wait a minute, I put everything.
I don't know what to do about tomorrow.
I don't know what you're doing.
Tomorrow.
You eat it. I put everything. Eat it like this.
Yeah.
Wala nang plate. Kunwari na ka sa restaurant.
Thank you. You are a very good waiter. I give you a tip.
Give me
The
tip.
tip is always pay attention if somebody is ordering hamburger. That is your tip.
Okay. Okay. Tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah. Still using the other one?
Yes.
Okay.
Until it finishes on Wednesday. Then we use the rest of it until we're done with that.
Okay.
The doctor, part like Lola.
Yeah, Lola siya.
Lola for sure. You can tell, right? From
Maliit ka na, doktor.
maliit. Mataba?
Very small and very tiny.
Yeah, she sounds tiny. There's something about her that made me think she was tiny. They had 220 grams. That's too much for me.
What? This one?
Yeah.
What? How many grams this?
160.
Okay lang naman.
Yeah.
It's not big.
No.
Medium lang.
Yeah.
The bigger than this one?
Oh yeah.
Sabi niya?
Up to 220.
Uy.
220 is like American, I say. Big.
Burger. This is size 1 and how much the size?
160 grams.
This one?
Yeah.
Tapos the last one, how much?
220 grams.
Sabi niya.
Yeah.
I see it the other one in the side table.
Yeah.
They have salad, they have Yummy shrimps, fried.
Oh, yeah, you said. Yeah.
I set the plate because somebody ate it there.
Oh, that must be expensive, but it sure sounds good.
Expensive yun kasi. They have shrimp fried with salad, vegetable with rice.
Oh, that sounds so good. That sure sounds good to me.
Nagutom.
Hmm.
Nawala tayo sa intersection.
Yeah, it's a bad day. I don't know, this is one of the reasons why I don't like to go out. That you tell me, pumunta tayo, but then every time, how do you say every time?
Lagi.
Lahat lang lagi, pumunta tayo, mayroon
Na ako.
ano?
Marunong, mayroon?
Mayroon, yeah, you're right. Mayroon, I always make that mistake. Trouble.
Pero,
And
punta tayo pero nawawala tayo.
yeah, exactly.
Nawawala tayo kasi yung phone mo it's not going directly to right.
Yeah, I do the best I can. I can't be better than the information I have.
I think sis delay kay.
He's what?
Sis delay.
Delay, maybe.
Because they said, you turn right, but we're going in the right, we pass away already the intersection that we know that before, we know that we get home. We get now already.
Oh, maybe. Could be.
Dapat nag-advance siya na you go there in the intersection,
Yeah.
then you turn, you go in the opposite like that. Why she cannot tell opposite?
I don't know.
Kaya nawala tayo.
Yeah.
Nawala ang tao.
So then you are surprised when I don't want to go traveling and I don't want to go out and I don't want to do fun things.
Very, very tired.
Me?
Very, very tired because of nawala.
Why did we have a bad day?
Yeah. This the bad day of today is hamburger.
I don't know how it is. Whenever we travel, we get into trouble.
Yung the ops.
Yeah.
Thank you for the hamburger.
You're welcome. I knew you didn't want to cook.
Yeah.
But God, we can't buy anything special for ages. A month or two, maybe. And that is for church. Do they serve sandwiches for lunch?
Yeah. No.
No?
Walang sandwich.
Oh, I was hoping maybe before you come to me, you steal a sandwich for me. Then I don't have to buy the cinnamon.
Walang sandwich doon sa wala na kasi biba COVID. Before they
They
have.
used to, right? I'm not wrong.
Before they have.
Before
Now
they
no
have,
more.
no. Yeah, because you can stay around.
Kasi bawal naman ang doon
Yeah, it's too bad. Were the sandwiches good? When they used to have sandwiches, were they good? Is it good? What do you think?
Which one?
The hamburger.
Hindi pa, naglagay pa ako ng I putting in my everything.
Ah,
I putting everything and then I eat it.
okay.
Wait lang.
It's good that they give it to you in packets. That's very handy.
Very yummy. Yeah?
You know, my walking lady told me once, just a few weeks ago, that she knows another blind woman
Yeah.
who go to the mall in a different town. She go back to.
Oh.
She buy her food. She sit to eat,
Oh.
and suddenly she feels a hand in her tray,
Oh.
and
Happy.
she grabbed the person's hand, and she said, "What is this?"
Oh.
And the woman said, "I only want to open your ketchup for you."
Why?
Because she's blind and doesn't know how to open ketchup? I don't know.
Ah. Somebody open your ketchup?
So somebody just, instead of asking her, "Do you need me to open your ketchup? Would you like help?"
Yeah.
She reached into her tray and started feeling around to try to find the ketchup to open it for her. But she cannot ask permission
Why?
because people do that with blind people all the time.
Tapos nagulat
That's why
siya.
I don't have a job.
Tapos na ano siya, na ano siya, na shocking siya, they have hand.
Yes. Yes, very shocking. Yes, she's very angry.
Dapat nagsabi siya, "Can I help you? I open this one."
Yeah. Or to say she's allowed to decide for herself if she wants to open to eat the ketchup. Maybe she don't want. There's a number of things you could do.
Tapos nagalit.
Yes, of course. Of course nagalit. At nagalit ng woman kasi nagalit. I was just trying to open your ketchup.
Masarap siya kay.
Yes, it is. We have to remember this. BP.
BP online.
Yeah.
www.bpress.co.il.
Bpress.
Yeah, bpress.
BPRESS.
BPRASP.
Okay.
.co.il.
Bpress. BPEPR.
BPRE
A as apple.
Eagle.
Eagle. Bpress. That's a strange name for a restaurant.
.com.il.
Yeah.
www.bpress.
Yeah. Well, you know, in emergency, I'm so impressed with you for finding the super farm. That was such a good, important thing to do. It's always good to start with